Good morning to all. Today I am going to discuss the new chapter Selection and Placement of Employees. Selection. Selection is the process of choosing the most suitable persons from all the applicants. Selection involves picking a group of workers from a total group of workers who has applied for job. In the words of Dale Yoder, selection is the process in which candidates for employment are divided into two classes, those who are to be offered employment and those who are not. Selection is a decision-making process in which management prepares certain norms and procedures. On the basis of these norms, candidates are selected. It involves a series of steps by which the candidates are screened for choosing the most suitable persons for the vacant posts. The steps used for selecting candidates are: the first step is receipt and scrutiny of application. The second step is preliminary interview. The third step is blank application form. And the fourth step is test. And fifth step is interviews. And sixth step is checking references. And seventh step is approval of the supervisor. And eighth step is medical examination. And ninth step is final selection. And 10th step is placement. 11th step is induction and orientation. The first step is receipt and scrutiny application. The receipt and scrutinizing of applications in the first step in the process of selection. A receptionist in the personnel department gives information about a new opening to the visitors and receives their application. The scrutiny of application is essential to take out those applications which do not fulfill a requirements of post. Some people send application even when they do not possess the required experience and qualifications. These applicants, if called for preliminary interview, will waste their own time and that of the company. These applications should outrightly be rejected and information should be sent to the applicants in that regard. The second step is preliminary interview. A preliminary interview is an initial meeting to gather basic information about how an applicant's goals, skills, and qualifications can benefit a company's needs. The purpose of the preliminary interviews is to eliminate unsuitable or unqualified candidates from the selection process. The third step is blank application form. Blank application form provide an opportunity for an employer to gather a good deal of information about an applicant in a short period of time. The information is shown in such an application form: biodata, educational qualifications, work experience, extracurricular activities, expected salaries, references. Thank you.